करें। ओके, आपकी स्क्रीन पे आया होगा, दिस मीटिंग इज बीइंग रिकॉर्डेड, यू कैन जस्ट कंटिन्यू विद दैट, सो वी कैन स्टार्ट विद दैट। ओके, सो ठीक है, सो अगेन नमस्ते एवरीबॉडी एंड वी गोइंग टू स्टार्ट कंटिन्यू फ्रॉम वेयर वी स्टॉप्ड। तो अभी हम लोग ए और ऐ मात्रा के शब्द पढ़ रहे हैं। So I'm going to just quickly go over these words. I know we read them, but because since we started the recording late, let's just read. Whoever wants to read this again. Who wants to read the first one? Who didn't read yet? Lasya?
Karate.
Karate. Okay, who next one? Is Bhavika there?
Bhavika's not here.
Okay, Sahasra, you want to read this one? So this K with the U matra.
Kulche.
Kulche. L connected with the Ch with the A matra. Kulche. ये क्या है? K with the A matra. Now this is a half moon sign. That's a A sound. Okay, Arya Paliwal.
Carom.
Carom. ये क्या है? Diyansh, can you read this one?
Care.
Care. Okay, Mishka, ये पढ़िए.
Katkate.
खटखटे. बहुत अच्छा. ओके, ये कौन पढ़ेगा? लेट्स सी. सोहम बोथरा, आप ये पढ़िए.
खेलना.
खेलना. शाबाश. अमाया, ये पढ़िए. ये वाला खेलना के नीचे वाला.
गट्टे.
गट्टे, क्योंकि ट को नीचे हलंत है तो ये कनेक्टेड हो गया टे से, सो ये गट्टे है. ओके, मोक्षा, ये क्या है?
गेट.
गेट. बहुत अच्छा. सोहन वेमुला, ये क्या है? Games. Again, म connected with a so this is games. Okay, let me just, I have to move this, so ये इसको मैं हटा देती हूँ. Annotate हटाकर I can move. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Annotate, clear all drawings. Okay, जय, ये क्या है? जय. चीजें. बहुत अच्छा. जे has a dot, so you're going to say it more nasalized instead of just चीजें. चीजें. And the z has a dot at the bottom. And as if you see PL, that means it's plural. F is feminine, so this is feminine plural चीजें instead of just cheese. Okay, विहान, ये क्या है?
La.
ल को ए की मात्रा है.
Le.
हाँ
B.
हाँ, शाबाश. तो इसको कैसे पढ़ेंगे?
Jalebi.
जलेबी. जलेबी. ओके, सो
I love jalebis.
हाँ, बोलो मुझे जलेबी बहुत पसंद है.
मुझे जलेबी बहुत पसंद है.
शाबाश. ओके, दिया, can you read this one? At the top. Can you recognize this matra? Now this one has two matra on the top. So
Yes.
so what is this? So we are doing a and I matra today. A with a moon sign, A with single line, I with double line. So this one has double line. That means it is I matra.
Yeah, it's I matra.
What is the letter?
I think it's Ka.
It's in the second group of
Cha.
ka. So, ka, kha, ga, gha, ga, then
Ka, ka, ga, ga,
nga,
and then cha.
cha. In the group of cha, this
Cha.
comes after second letter. This is the third letter in the group of cha. Can you say cha?
No.
Huh?
No.
No. Cha. Say the letters.
Cha. Cha. Da.
Ja.
Ja.
Cha, ja, ja, nya. So ये
Nya.
j है, j, ch, ch, j with दो मात्राएं. So how would you read this?
Ji.
Jai,
Ji.
jai, jai with the
Jai.
I matra, jai. And then ये क्या है? What is the second letter?
Second letter. I can't recognize the second letter, but I can recognize the third letter
Okay, what is the
and the
third?
last letter.
What is the third letter?
La.
La. And what is the last one?
Ra.
Ra. Okay, who can recognize the second letter and the fourth letter?
Sa.
Sa. Okay.
Sa.
So jai, sa, la, and then
Ma.
ma. Ma को कौन सी मात्रा है?
Me.
Me. बहुत अच्छा. So can you read the whole word now? Who can say the whole word? Jaisalmer. बहुत अच्छा. This is 5 letters, the biggest one. Jaisalmer. And you're going to learn a lot about Jaisalmer in the camp, because this is a place in India. You're going to learn, you know, which 3 places you're going to learn about? Who knows? Anybody knows in the camp theme? Anybody read that?
Delhi, Jaisalmer and Goa.
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा माया. दिल्ली, जैसलमेर और गोवा. ओके, आर्यन उपाध्याय, ये क्या लिखा है? तीले. बहुत अच्छा. अनीश? ट को एक ही मात्रा है. टेनिस. बहुत अच्छा. मोक्षा? त के ऊपर 2 मात्राएं. तई. न को आ की मात्रा है. तेरना. बहुत अच्छा. तेरना. ओके, नेत्रा?
To see.
Yeah, to see. Can you read that word in Hindi, please?
I
The.
don't know the matra because.
So it's a matra. We are doing the a matra today.
Okay. They.
Then what letter is this? It's after ka. You know what is the letter after?
Ka. Is it ka?
Kha. बहुत अच्छा. देखा.
Dekhna.
देखना, because na with a matra. So once you know the matras, then it's very easy to read. You don't need to remember any spelling. That's the whole beauty of Hindi. No spellings to remember. You just have to know the matra. That's about it. Okay, Naisha. This one यहाँ पर. Naisha, are you there?
Yeah.
Can you
So.
say it louder, please?
So.
So I know it's a little bit tricky one.
I know what it is.
Okay, let's see if Naisha first recognizes the letter. Naisha, ये क्या है?
Recognize the letter.
I know it.
I know it.
Okay. Mishka, what is it?
Patte.
It's patte. So ta, and you see this a little sharp extra pointy line here behind ta. That means it's a double ta. So you're going to say patta with a matra. So it becomes patte. Patte. So not pate or patate, but patte. Just like Dilli, Laddu, Kutta, and we just read Gatte. So it's a double sound of that same letter, patte. Okay.
I like.
आपको पत्ते पसंद है? हाँ, मुझे भी पत्ते बहुत पसंद है.
Can I read Yanch?
Okay, Dhyansh, go on.
Paratha.
Paratha, but what is the matra?
Parathe.
पराठे, क्योंकि ये ए मात्रा है and this is plural. एक पराठा, दो पराठे, तीन पराठे. So this is a plural. That's why it's parathe. Okay, Aryan. Below parathe. Parasailing. Pa with a I matra. So parasailing. Parasailing. Okay, Tanishka. So ba has a matra. Me has a matra. So badminton. Minton. क्योंकि ये मात्रा है, बैडमिंटन, राइट? बैडमिंटन. आप लोग बैडमिंटन खेलते हैं?
Yeah.
कौन कौन बैडमिंटन खेलते हैं?
Me खेलतो.
हाँ,
I don't know. मैं खेलती हूँ बैडमिंटन.
हाँ, नीवी भी बैडमिंटन खेलती है. आप खेलते हैं बैडमिंटन?
Yeah.
ओके, बहुत अच्छा. ओके, अब ये क्या है अमाया?
बेबिनका.
बेबिंका, क्योंकि इसके ऊपर भी अंग मात्रा है. सो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे शब्द है उसपे अंग मात्रा है. विद अ डॉट इट्स अ अंग मात्रा. बेबिंका.
Can I read?
Who is this?
Arya.
Okay, Arya, go ahead. That's okay. And then what's the next letter?
Marks are blind landlord नहीं. इन्हें जिन्हें मोकले होते हैं जिन्हें काम करवा मारते.
सब लोग अपने आप को म्यूट कीजिए. देखिए आर्या क्या है?
I don't know what the second letter is.
Anybody recognize the second letter? With the A matra. Everybody please mute. I can hear a lot of noise. Naisha, mute everybody. Okay.
The noise is coming from Arya only.
Okay, so this is mujhe. Mujhe. Jha with a matra. Mujhe. Okay. Let's go on to the next one. Who is this?
Pernika.
Kaun?
Pernika.
हाँ, Parnika, go ahead, please. Yes.
Me.
मैं. So this is with just एक मात्रा and the बिंदी. मैं.
मेरा.
मेरा. बहुत अच्छा. मेरा is my. Okay, उसके बाद
मेरी
मेरी एंड उसके बाद
मेरा
र के ऊपर मेरे मेरा मेरी मेरे. So they are all, they mean my, but depending on what comes after mera, meri, mere, it will change. If it's masculine, you say mera bhai, which is brother, or meri ma, which is my mom, which is feminine, or mere papa, which is again masculine. So it depends what is coming after mera, meri, mere. That's why these are different forms, but they all mean my. Okay, उसके बाद क्या है?
My.
So this, even though it has do matra, we don't say my, but my. Like this one is me and this is me with a little bit more slant on the me, and it's again nasalized. Which is my. Huh? Oh, Registana, nahi. Registan. You have to cut that last little bit short. Registan and not Registana, but Registan. ओके ठीक है. उसके बाद क्या है रेगिस्तान के नीचे? नेत्रा. ये वाला. See, this was रे. So what do you think this is? र को ए की मात्रा है. एंड देन रेत. बहुत अच्छा, रेत. अंजिका. विशेष. बहुत अच्छा. आद्या. वेस्ट. शाबाश. ओके. धियांश. ये कौन सा अक्षर है? मैं नहीं है. वो क्या है? नहीं, ये क्या है? ये कौन सा अक्षर है? No, ये ma is like this. This is ma. But what is this letter next to ma? So ये स है और स के ऊपर दो मात्राएं. आई की मात्रा. सैर. So सैर is trip. सैर. Okay, let me move it up a little bit. Okay. Last one on this list, Siddharth.
Yes.
Can you say the last one here?
Yes.
ह के ऊपर ऐ की मात्रा है. है. So this is है. Okay, let me take the clear. All right. So this is है. If it is plural, then it will be with a dot है. In this case, it is singular है. Okay, बहुत अच्छा. So does anybody have any doubt about any of these words that we read with a, I matra today? Is everybody good? Okay, sounds good. So now we're going to move on to, what is your guess? What are the next group of matras? Okay, Amaya.
O और औ.
O or O. So let's go. I'm going to share that screen now. Namaste. Okay, so share. Okay. Very good. This has some really big words, but I think you can do those because you have done words like this before. Okay, so who wants to go first? Okay, let me see if anybody can read the first one.
Online.
Okay, who is
And Laden.
on?
Line.
Online, not the, but this is an E with this line. So it's online, not on Laden, but online. जैसे हम लोग सब online. So again, you'll see एंड ऑ मात्रास आर फॉर इंग्लिश वर्ड्स। तो जैसे अगर ऑनलाइन लिखना है हमें तो ये हिंदी में ऑ की मात्रा से लिखेंगे, आ विथ अ half moon, ऑ ऑनलाइन। ओके नेक्स्ट
Omelette.
ऑमलेट, बहुत अच्छा। ऑमलेट के नीचे
Or.
और, दिस इज अ औ मात्रा, और। ओके उसके बाद नाइशा, क च के ऊपर औ मात्रा है, कचौ। हाँ, ड विथ ई मात्रा। सो कैसे पढ़ोगे पूरा? कचौड़ी,
कचौड़ी,
या च विथ औ मात्रा, सो इट बिकम्स कचौड़ी।
कचौड़ी।
कचौड़ी खाई है आप लोगों ने किसी ने?
मैंने खाई है।
हाँ, जैसे समोसा होता है वैसे कचौड़ी भी होती है।
हाँ।
ओके अब उसके नीचे ये क्या है?
Comics.
कॉमिक्स, क्योंकि आप अंग्रेजी में पढ़ के यहाँ इसी आसानी से पढ़ सकते हैं, है ना। एंड क विथ अ मात्रा, क कनेक्टेड विथ स, कॉमिक्स। बहुत अच्छा। ये क्या है निवी?
Go.
को विथ ओ मात्रा, सो कॉ, को। एंड देन वी आल्सो हैव अ कौ आफ्टर दिस, बट उसके पहले ये क्या है?
Can I read Dianj?
Okay, let's see Diyansh, let's see if somebody else is there, so I can, because you read quite a few today.
Can I read Myra?
Okay, Myra, go ahead.
Okay. Co,
So ये ओ की मात्रा है, ओ।
co,
हाँ,
co, come,
not कौ, को।
co, come,
कोकम, कोकम।
go, come.
बहुत अच्छा। सोहन वेमुला,
Con.
कौन, बहुत अच्छा। कौन, कौन इज हु, जैसे आप कौन है, मैं सोहन हूँ। ओके उसके बाद उसके बाद नीचे क्या है? सोहम बोथरा,
कौन सा?
बहुत अच्छा। कौन सा, जैसे आपको कौन सा खेल पसंद है, कौन सा इज विच, इफ इट्स टॉकिंग अबाउट मैस्कुलाइन। ओके विहान,
कौन सी?
कौन सी, बहुत अच्छा। कौन सा, कौन सी, again that all depends on what's coming after that, so that's why these are different variations. Okay Anish,
कौन सा,
no, with a s with a matra.
कौन से,
कौन से, कौन सा, कौन सी, कौन से। and just like we did मेरा, मेरी, मेरे। ओके ध्यांश, ये क्या है?
गाल, गाल,
ग को ओ की मात्रा है,
गे,
गो, ओ की मात्रा।
गोल, 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 पे, गोल पे,
ग
गोल
प,
पे,
गोल गप्पे, because p connected to the p, so that's a double p, so we say gol gappe, not gappe but gappe, pe with a matra,
गोल, गोल पे,
gappe,
गप,
gappe,
गप्पे, गोल कपके,
gappe।
गप्पे,
हाँ, so पढ़िए 8 गोलगप्पे बिफोर, किसी ने खाए गोलगप्पे? Anybody? गोलगप्पे is पानी पूरी, have you eaten पानी पूरी? हाँ, so पानी पूरी, goal is round, so this is, and golgappe is pani puri. Okay,
I ate it today.
you
Can
ate,
I go next?
you ate it today? Oh,
Yeah.
nice. कौन है ये?
Vihan.
ओ विहान, विहान ने आज ही खाए गोलगप्पे, बहुत अच्छा। ओके जय, ये क्या लिखा है? ये क्या है? जोर से बोलिए, जोर से।
Gova.
गोवा, बहुत अच्छा। गो with a आ मात्रा and then ओ मात्रा at the top, so that becomes go. वो को आ की मात्रा, गोवा. So just like दिल्ली, जैसलमेर, we're going to also learn about गोवा. Okay, उसके बाद ये क्या है? मोक्षा? Chowk with a O matra. So cho with a A matra and then O matra on the top. That means two slanted lines and k. Chowk. Okay. Netra, ये क्या है?
I have another question.
Okay.
Chickpeas.
Yes.
Is the first letter cha?
Cho. Cho.
Okay. Cha. Ch.
Cho has this O matra.
Cho. Chol.
ल को ए की मात्रा.
Chole.
छोले. बहुत अच्छा. आप लोगों ने छोले खाए? सब लोगों ने?
हाँ.
हाँ.
और
मैंने खाए, मुझे काय चोले।
आपको पता है छोले सबको? ठीक है. अच्छा, मोक्षा, ये क्या लिखा है? प के ऊपर औ की मात्रा है, तो कैसे पढ़ेंगे? पौला. डोना पौला. डोना पाउला एक बीच का नाम है गोवा में, तो उसको वो कहते हैं डोना पाउला. ओके, अब ये क्या है इसके आगे?
दो.
दो. बहुत अच्छा. दो के नीचे क्या है?
दोस्त.
इट्स अ स कनेक्टेड विद द त, so it becomes दोस्त. ओके, दोस्त के नीचे ये क्या है? सिद्धार्थ.
yes.
What is this below do या race? What is the word for that? ये वाला क्या है?
दौड़.
दौड़. द with a औ मात्रा and then अड, दौड़. ओके, निवी, ये क्या है?
नो.
नो, because न with a औ मात्रा. 9. कौन कौन 9 साल के हैं? आप लोगों में से कोई 9 साल के हैं? 9 is 9. Anybody 9 years old here?
Yep.
I
I'm 9 years old and I'm Tanishka and I'm 9 years old.
Oh, yeah, Tanishka, Siddharth, and Diyansh, and Sohan. Very good. Lots of 9-year-olds here. Okay, so आप सब 9 साल के हैं.
मैं भी नौ साल की हूँ.
कौन है आप? मिश्का?
Yeah.
हाँ, ओके, बहुत अच्छा. ओके, मिश्का, ये क्या लिखा है?
P. Yeah.
य को आ
या.
की मात्रा.
Yeah. No. Piano.
पियानो. आप लोगों में से कोई पियानो बजाते हैं?
हाँ.
हाँ, आप पियानो बजाते. निवी बजाती है. अच्छा.
मैं भी बजाती हूँ।
अच्छा, माया भी बजाती है. बहुत अच्छा. अब यहाँ पर ये औ की मात्रा है. अमाया, ये क्या है?
फुटबॉल।
फुटबॉल. ब को औ की मात्रा. शाबाश. ओके, सोहन, वेमुला.
Basketball.
Basketball. So it's again all the English words. You need the a matra for that. Okay. अब कौन यहाँ पे है? लेट्स सी, आद्या, ये क्या है?
ba k
ब विथ ए मात्रा.
be
हम्म,
ba bes ba
हम्म. ये अ मात्रा है, अ. सो
baseball
हाँ, बेसबॉल, ब विथ अ मात्रा. Okay, who is joined in with Lohit name? Who is Lohit? Who is this?
My name is actually Bhavika.
Oh, Bhavika. Okay, Bhavika, can you read this one, please?
Which one? Bone. Bone.
So, B with a A matra. A matra.
Bone.
Bomb. It's a bomb. Like bomb.
Bone. G.
Hmm.
Bone. G. Bone. G.
Z. This is a J with a dot at the bottom. So you say Z.
Bone. Jesus.
Yes, bomb Jesus. So ये चर्च का नाम है, bomb
Jesus.
Okay, विहान, ये क्या है?
मौसम.
मौसम. बहुत अच्छा. अनीश, ये क्या है? अनीश, ये क्या है? र with a E मात्रा, री. ग को कौन सी मात्रा है? O मात्रा with this line at the top. So, what matra is that? O matra. O. So how would you read it?
Goes.
Goes. So can you say the whole thing together?
Resmagos.
Rismagos. So this is a port in Goa. There are a lot of this kind of different names in Goa, which are kind of funny sounding. Okay. So इसके बाद क्या है? This. Okay. Who is saying that?
Arya.
Arya, can you say the matra for ra? What is the matra?
Ras.
What is this matra?
Amatra.
There's another line at the top. That makes it O matra. O matra words, right? So this is O. So how would you say it?
Rose.
बहुत अच्छा, rose. Okay, now this one, तनिष्का, ये क्या है?
फोकस ग्रुप रख लीजिए.
No, उसके ऊपर ये वाला. स की मात्रा क्या है? When you have the half moon at the top, on the A matra, like a basketball, bomb Jesus, comics. So ये क्या है?
Soccer.
सॉकर. ये जैसे सॉकर आप खेलते हैं, वो सॉकर. आप लोग कोई सॉकर खेलते हैं?
Yeah.
राइट. सॉकर खेलने में बहुत मजा आता है, ये सॉकर है. ओके, अब सबसे नीचे क्या है?
Can I say Lasya?
ओके, लास्या, गो अहेड.
Sol Khadi.
बहुत अच्छा. सोल कड़ी. सो स विथ ओ मात्रा. दिस वाज अ सॉ, अ मात्रा. ये ओ मात्रा है. सोल कड़ी. Excellent. Anybody has any questions about what we read today? नहीं, सबको समझ में आ गया सब? Okay, everybody got everything what we read today? A, I, O, all those 6 matras we need.
Basically, you don't have to go through that.
Lots of conjuncts. Okay. Nobody has any question, right? Okay, so we're going to move on. So now I'm going to put a list of all the campers' names and see if you can read the names. Okay, if it is your name, you are not supposed to read it. Somebody else has to read that name. Okay, I'm going to put that list up here. Let's see if you can read your teammates' names or your camp classmates' names. Let me see. Okay, let me quickly go there. Assignment, not here. Find that.
Excuse me,
Yes.
I have a question.
Okay. Who has a question?
Yeah, Sahitra,
Okay.
last week in our words we got cave or Gupa, I think.
Uh-huh.
When I recorded it on VoiceThread,
Mm-hmm.
someone gave me feedback telling me that it was actually Gupa.
Mm-hmm.
But then when I was doing the Ed puzzle, you said Gupa.
Mm-hmm.
Which one is right?
So you got the feedback that it was Gufa.
Yes.
Okay, no, it should be Gupa because it's a P. It's a, unless you see the dot at the bottom, then it's Fa. But if there's no dot, then it's Gupa. P. Okay, because in Hindi we have P and Gufa. Okay, Ahika. Today I did not hear Ahika at all. You were here, Ahika?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you have a question?
Yes. When does the camp start?
Okay. Who knows that? When does the camp start? Okay.
I think it's July 12th.
Yes, July 12th. So we have about, I guess, 3 more weeks or just 2.5. Then we get to start. So that's good. We are today the 4th week of literacy and just 2 more weeks of literacy and then we start the camp. Wow, time is going fast. So do you think you're learning? Are you learning something in this summer? Yes? No? Not yet? Anish is saying no. Anish has been learning. Okay, very good.
I am.
Okay, good job. Nice. Okay,
I'm learning something.
very good. Excellent. Okay, so I had asked your parents to join us today at 7:15 p.m. Are all your parents here? Are they with you? Yes? Okay.
My parents is here.
No, mine's is here.
Okay, if they are here, please just have them come to you. You can call them if they can just join.
Mines are not here.
They're not here. Okay.
Yeah, but my sister is here with me. And also, how many more minutes till class?
Okay, who knows how many more minutes till class?
15.
15 more minutes, right? That's it. We go 6:30 to 7:30. Okay, namaste everybody. Sabhi parents ko namaste. Welcome everybody. So just a quick update that we are 4 weeks into it. Hope your kids are doing good and learning well with all what we are doing and what you are doing. We still have some issues going on with the assignments. So please make sure that you upload all the assignments in your assignment folder only, nowhere else. So don't put somewhere else and then add those links. You put them in the assignment folder that you have already created on your drive. And then give edit access to me and to your assignment group teacher that you already know who your teacher is. Hopefully you have all heard from them. Please give them edit access so they can provide you feedback right on that document that is in the folder. So they don't have to keep looking somewhere else. And even your assignment tracker spreadsheet, please keep that also in that same folder with all the links in that sheet. And again, please give the edit access to the teacher so that it's easier either to write a comment on that spreadsheet or on the document itself in your drive. Anybody has any questions on that, or is it still confusing, or do you know it's clear that you know what you're supposed to do? Okay, does anybody, okay, Moksha's mom has a question, okay?
Vidyaji, I don't have a question, but I would really like to say that it was awesome, it has helped Moksha.
Monica ji, I'm not able to hear you at all. Okay.
Vidyaji, can you hear me now?
No, come even closer.
Vidyaji, yes, please.
No, it's still like we cannot hear you. Maybe I can mute myself and that will help you. Okay, everybody, please mute yourself. And then maybe we can.
Vidyaji, can you hear me now?
Yes, much better. Yes.
So Vidyaji, what I was saying was this year's format is awesome, means like it has helped Moksha learn a lot. It's a very good format.
Yeah, I think the online format has worked well for some things, and for
No, the assignments are really good. The way the assignments have been given to them, it's really helping them learn much better.
awesome. Thank you for your feedback.
Thank you.
So it's good when we get the desired results from the learners. That's the whole idea. Thank you so much. Okay.
Hello Vidyaji, this is Sohan's mom.
Hello, namaste.
Hi, namaste ma'am. Actually, Sohan is improving week by week. Actually, I can see the difference. And thanks a lot for all your hard work. I mean, each and every teacher and you, everyone are working so hard. Otherwise, making that puzzle is not a, simple task. It takes hours. I know, because, and it all happened because of all of your hard work, and kids are really doing an amazing job.
Yes, everybody. I'm so impressed with everybody, like all the work and keeping up with the assignment in the summertime. So thank you for encouraging your kids. And
because even he's like, by Thursday, he wants to finish all his assignments. Like, he's keeping the target as well. Thank you so much.
awesome, awesome. Thank you for sharing this feedback also. Okay. Anybody else has any other questions, any other feedback? I know I got some feedback. It's too many assignments, too many homework. So I feel, okay, maybe it's summertime. So this is the best time that you can at least do some homework and catch up with the language. Okay. Anybody else has any other thoughts, words, questions?
Vidyaji, I think it's like appropriate amount of assignments for them. It's not too much for them at all. Means like they finish very quickly. I think we need to keep them busy rather than being on their iPads.
Right. Very good. So I do see though some people still haven't done the Ed puzzle. So is there an issue with that, or is anybody not understanding how to do it? Okay, Bhavika.
I have an issue with one, the Vernamala page. It's saying unfinished when I finished all of them.
Oh, is that like you're not able to submit it, or it just say, are you able to see the submit button, or it's just not like clickable, or what is the issue?
I'm not able to see the submit button. It's not submitting.
You have to watch the whole video for it to be complete.
I did.
You watched the whole video and still you cannot submit it?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that the issue with
Same issue.
who has same issue?
Naisha.
Yeah, I know, Naisha. I think your mom wrote to me about that. So I don't know about because it's the Ed puzzles technical issue, but I see a lot of you have been submitting. So there must be some glitch somewhere that when you're doing something, which again, I will not be able to figure out at my end, because I can see only my side, unless you can like actually write to Ed puzzle, their customer service that, I'm having trouble submitting it, and they should be able to get back to you like why you are having trouble submitting it. Okay.
Did you ever skip in the video?
No, she did everything.
Skip the video, because I have not, I have to put it to that setting that you can skip the video, but I want you to go through the video. So I say no skipping allowed, right? So you have to listen to the video. Okay, Sesha, you have a question?
The same thing happened for me, like where I watched the whole video, but it still was not submitted. So I tried reloading sometimes and it submitted.
Okay, that's a good tip then. So please reload it. Just do either Control F5 or actually click that reload button, and that should allow you to submit it. So sometimes this technology, you just have to play with back and forth until you get used to that, or the machine gets used to you. So either of those. Okay. Anybody else? Okay, so next week we're going to send you the selection format, a selection form for the clubs. So please do select those and send those in time, especially if you're selecting the science club or art club or the cooking club. You'll need to have supplies for those clubs. So make sure you do have those supplies with your kids. They will be doing 3-day rotation. So that means in 12 days, they'll do 4 clubs and there'll be no clubs for last 3 days. So you each have to select 4 clubs. Please select them in the order in which you want them to do, so that we know that they will be in that club on those days. Other than that, there'll be books. Now the books will be coming out. We're given those for printing, so they should be here by next week. So sometime the week of July 4th, before that, we will request you to come and pick the books from Buffalo Grove location or from Vernon Hills, depending on where you live. If you are very too far, especially out of state, we will mail you the books. But those of you are local, please come and pick the books. Okay, Jai, do you have a question? No? Okay. Okay, I saw his both hands were up, so I thought, okay, there's something. Okay. All right. Okay, Arya, do you have a question? No? Okay, I just see the hands going up, so I'm just used to asking this question. All right. Okay, I think these were the main.
नहीं विद्या जी नमस्ते, मैं अनीश की मम्मी बात कर रही हूँ।
हाँ जी, नमस्ते जी, कैसे हैं?
मेरे को नहीं लग रहा था कि अनीश कोप कर पाएगा, लेकिन आपको जो स्ट्रक्चर है, कोशिश करता है। आई एम अमेज्ड। उसने मेरे ख्याल से साल भर में इतनी मेहनत नहीं करी होगी जो 3 हफ्ते में इतनी मेहनत करके करी है। So thank you so much. Thank you.
Very good. Yeah, Anish, good job. And now we are looking forward to having Maya and her sister.
पूजा, हाँ,
They both.
हाँ, वो कह रहे हैं हमारा कब टर्न आएगा वॉलंटियर का, बाबा कब करना है, कैसे करना है। मैंने कहा वेट, they'll send letters, you'll come to know.
Right. So first we are all just getting, we all getting first ready with the teachers and everybody. So then we can tell the volunteers what we need their help with. Yes, but yeah, we are looking forward to their help. And okay, very good.
Namaste, Vidya ji. I have a question.
Namaste.
This is Nandini's mom.
Welcome. Yes.
So for the camp, you said all those clubs and all those other activities. So you'll be sending a list, right, for all the things that we'll need for all that?
Yes. We'll send the supplies and all the description of all the clubs that are coming up in this next week. So that you'll be able to see what is going to happen, and then you can choose accordingly.
Okay. Thank you. And thank you all. Thank you and the teacher, Prerna ji, who is an amazing teacher too. Thank you.
Yes, all our teachers have been doing hard work of getting back to you, giving you the feedback and all that. So thank you for supporting all of our work also as a team. And anything else? No? Okay, everybody good. So make sure they all have their notebooks, their writing supplies for the camp as well. And in the camp time, there might be some confusion. So 9 to 9:30, the yoga will be this link. And then they will go to their regular classrooms. So again, make sure that they are on time for doing their regular work. And for asynchronous hours, they'll be given those assignments. Again, they'll be based on either Edpuzzle or voice thread, but then we're going to start something new that's called bookcreator.com. So in our 6th week, we're going to, I will give you the demo of Book Creator where they will create their ebook, so that from day 1 of the camp, they're going to start working on those ebooks. So make sure you familiarize yourself and the kids with them. You'll have to do the sign up, login. It can be done with your Google ID. And they will need access to the pictures that they want to put, maybe their activities, so they can, maybe in their same assignment folder, we will send you that information, that if you can upload their activity pictures. For example, मैं basketball खेलता हूँ or मैं soccer खेलता हूँ. So whatever they do or whatever they like, the foods that they like, or they're just family picture, whatever they want to put in that ebook, if you can give those pictures in their folders, then they can right away take it from there and put in the book. Okay, Anjika, do you have a question?
So I think I know what the book creator is because we did it in school, and so I remember it, so I think I'm used to it.
Okay, that's superb. That's awesome that you already know what to do it. Now, another thing is if you can also get used to Hindi typing, you'll be actually able to type in Hindi in your book. If you cannot do that, then you can also write it and then scan whatever you have written and then upload that as an image. So either way you can choose. So I had sent you the link for Hindi typing. I don't know how many of you have been able to install that Hindi typing. How many of you have Hindi typing ability now? Okay, I see quite a few hands going up. That's good. In the Mac, they already have, you can just choose in the language setting. But if you have the Windows machine, there are special downloading instructions for Hindi. So you'll have to use those, and those instructions also have been posted on our Google Classroom. And I had also emailed those to you. Do you have any question about that, about Hindi typing? Because once they are used to writing and they know what the words are and all the words that we have been doing, they will see those in their camp booklet, camp material. So everything that is been taught so far, those are the words they're going to write or they're going to type. So they already know those words. Do you have any questions about typing? If you can actually, install it sometime this weekend and let kids play with that Hindi typing, that will be really good for their e-books. Anybody has any question about that? Any thoughts?
I have a question.
Okay. Okay, Shanu.
So is this Hindi typing like we type in English on the keyboard, but then it translates into Hindi when we type in English?
It is kind of like that. So if you can, okay, I'm going to quickly share my screen here and I will show you what I'm doing here. Or actually, no, it won't show because I have to select the setting. So once on Windows, it gives you, it's called input media, input tool. So I have English tool and Hindi tool, and I can easily flip flop between them. So if I choose Hindi, and then let's say I have it Hindi here now, to show you, let me,
Yeah, I have that already downloaded.
Okay, you already have that downloaded. Very good. Have you learned typing with that yet?
No.
So sometimes, because if you say, let's say you say type T, then it might show as T or Th. But because you're already learning these words, you have to know that you have to select Th, or you have to select Th, or you have to select Th, or D, or The. So that is the whole idea, that if you familiarize yourself with Hindi writing, which you already done, then typing is much easier because then you can select the right words. And if you don't want to do typing, then you can just write and then scan that as an image and put it in the book.
Sure, but when we're typing when we're typing on the keys, the key, if we're typing on the G, it's not coming G. It's coming like P or something else, different one. Letters.
If you type G, G is actually an easy choice. Problem will be if you want to make a G, then if you have to type, make sure that you type GH. Or if you have to type, let's say, the, then you have to type DH. So remember to add those letters until you get the desired result. Usually, I have never seen any problem with a G, but if you're having it, just maybe see if it's giving you different options. Sometimes they do give you different options depending on.
If we're typing G, it's actually not typing G. It's typing different letters. If we press on the G, it's like typing a P or something, some other letter.
I understand. So in that case, do you have like latest Windows 10? It is important that you have the Windows 10 and then you download latest Windows installation software, the Hindi input software. If you have that, then
we did that, but it's like still like typing different. I think the keyboard is different. Like the keyboard for the keys is different.
Oh,
One.
okay. I use my same usual keyboard. I don't change anything. I'm using this keyboard only. So I'm not sure what your problem is. Is it problem with all your machines? Do you have only one machine at home, or are you like a laptop or?
No, all of them are typing different ones. Not like.
Okay, I have never experienced that one before. So there is another way you can do that. It's called Google Input Tools. You can actually go on Google and say Hindi Input Tools. And then you type there something and it will also give you Hindi typewritten words. And then you can copy paste from there. That is another way of doing that. So either you go with Google Input Tools or your Windows, or if you have iMac, that is the easiest because they have setting in itself. Okay. I think that's about it then. Everybody got their answers, doubts clear?
विद्या जी नमस्कार।
कौन बोल रहे हैं?
मैं अमित बोल रहा हूँ महाराष्ट्र का।
हाँ नमस्ते, कैसे अमित जी?
आप कैसे हैं?
हाँ बढ़िया।
विद्या जी ये जो इनपुट टूल की आप बात कर रहे हैं, ये इनपुट टूल किसी भी एडिटर में चलता है? हाउ डू यू गेट टू द, व्हाट डू यू डू टू गेट टू द इनपुट टूल?
Yeah, so I sent you those instructions, but I can send those to you again, and they have been posted. Let me quickly share the screen of Google Classroom. Let me see if I can get it here. Google Classroom. Yes. Let me share this.
मेरा करीना हूँ मैं। तो मेरी बहन ने एक वो वाला 2 वाले वर्णमाला पेजेस थे, तो एक जो इंग्लिश लिखा हुआ है इसके नीचे वो इसने फाड़ ली, तो दूसरा वाला एक और वाला कैसे हो सकता है?
एक मिनट, let me get back to you right now. So अमित जी आप देख रहे हैं?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, मैं देख रहा हूँ.
So in classwork, if you go to classwork, there are all these topics here, and you can explore this. So all these here, the typing in Hindi link is posted here, and if you click, these are the instructions for Windows 10, and you can go into your own this thing. This is how to set up and use Indic phonetic keyboard. So इसमें से आप ये ले सकते हैं. I think this is the best to do it here from here.
ठीक है. I think मैं ये इस पेज पे पहले आया हूँ, but I'll look at it again.
अच्छा, so when you came last time, did it not work, or what was your experience?
No, let me try one more time. मेरे को because I think this was only telling. I may be wrong, but this was talking about how to download the font.
Oh, is it? Okay, I thought it.
No, don't worry about it. Let me first try, and then I'll get back to you if I can't.
Okay, ठीक है. Okay, and who was asking the question just now? Somebody was asking the question?
It was me.
Okay, Karina.
So can we get those? So there were 2 pages of the Hindi alphabet. So my sister tore one, the one that has the English written under it. She tore that one apart. So can we kind of like print that one out again?
Yeah, sure. You have my email that I sent it out. It was my very first email, and it is also in our Google Classroom. So you can go to Google Classroom, in their Varnamala. You can see that and you can print it. Yes, print as many copies as you want. It's best you can keep it one in the car, one on your fridge, one in your bathroom, one by the living room. So it will have it always in front of you, right?
Yeah, actually, ये बुरा idea नहीं है actually.
Actually, अच्छा idea है.
बहुत अच्छा idea है ये. हर जगह हिंदी लगा दो.
और क्या, आपको जितना आप देखेंगे उतना आप बोलेंगे, सुनेंगे, समझेंगे. It's just total immersion. That's the whole idea. ठीक है, then namaste everybody. It was all good seeing you, meeting you today one more time, and we'll see you all next week. Namaste. Please keep uploading your work.
Namaste.
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 Thank you. Namaste. Thank you.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Bye.
Bye.
Namaste. Bye. Bye, Netra. Bye, Karina. Bye Sesha, bye Diya, bye Shanmukha. Namaste. Welcome. Bye Paranika. Namaste Vasanti ji. Okay, I think you are muted. So, okay, this gives